So we're starting off with this t-shirt that Timmy Otedola inspired. So according to the instructions on my transfer paper, I put a pillowcase on a hard table to work with, and then I just used a transfer paper and a pair of scissors. Now for the logo, here's how I made it. I used this Supreme logo generator online, which you can find linked below, and then I flipped the image on my computer according to the instructions on the transfer paper, and then I printed on my inkjet printer. The instructions said to leave a 1mm white space, so that's exactly what I did. And then I ironed my t-shirt, no creases, no bumps, and I placed the logo exactly where I wanted it to be, adjusting and readjusting to make sure that I got it perfect, and then I pressed it down with an iron just to make sure that it adhered properly. Once it cools down, you simply peel off. Fantastic, right? Now the second t-shirt was inspired by Fisayo Longe, and I was really excited about this one, so I just followed the same thing. I printed it this time in black and white. The image, you can find the link to where I found that image in the description box below, and then I measured where I wanted it to be. My sweet spot is 4 inches below the neckline, and I just simply ironed as I did the first one and peeled off. Peeling off is so satisfying. Now I just used some lace trim to kind of make a frame around the picture, if you understand what I mean. So you cut at an angle just so that you have something of a frame. So now it's time to glue. I took a piece of paper and sandwiched it in between the t-shirt because I don't want the glue to seep to the other side. I used this high-tack fabric glue. It's fantastic. All I had to do was just put a straight line of glue, not too much, place the lace back on top, put some parchment paper over it so that the print doesn't transfer, and then I ironed over it just like that, and the glue just adhered everything. It's washable. It's just fantastic glue, and I did that to all the sides of the lace trim. Now I added some tassel earrings to our black Mona Lisa. Don't forget that you can download the image below. It's by an incredible artist. Just check the link below. And then I just sewed it on, and that's it. This was the easiest of the three because all I had to do was just iron on this applique. It was so easy, guys. So if you're not going to attempt anyone, at least do this one. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If you liked it, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next Thursday, bye.